Welcome to this overview video for design thinking. The QR code will take you to the additional presentation, which I'll go through once this video is completed. So what is design thinking? Well, it came out of Stanford University, and it consists of a 5-step process really for you to understand hitherto unexplored problem domains, create a minimum viable product, and test it with your potential customers within quite tight time frames. So the 5-step process: first of all, you empathize, get out there, meet your potential customers, ask them what they want, ask them what they need, and together try and figure out what that actually means. Next, what you need to do is try and define your problem. Get a problem statement, understand what it is you're trying to do. Thirdly, you need to ideate. Sketch out all of the possible ideas you have for solutions, pick the best one, and move it through to the 4th stage, prototype. At this stage, try and create a minimum viable product. Something you actually think will sell, or something that you think people want. And finally, go back to those customers you first empathized with, or at least potential customers you first empathized with, and test your product, refine it, iterate, until you get a product that's fit for market, and then off you go. So how does Google Ventures fit in? Well, for the methodology of design thinking, Google Ventures created the method, the sprint, the idea that one could go from ideation to minimum viable product in 5 consecutive days. Their 5-step process is simple. Just like the original design thinking methodology, the sprint that sits within it allows you to, first of all, map what it is you're trying to achieve, then sketch, get it all down. Why sketch? We'll go through that in the presentation. Then what we need to do is decide what it is we're actually going to try and achieve. And then, just the same as the original design thinking concept, we prototype and we test. Remember, the only real difference in the design thinking is we compress everything down into 5 consecutive days. Ideation to minimum viable product. Throughout the remainder of the presentation, I'll show you how the sprint operates. I'll give you examples of businesses and social enterprises, governments, etc. that have used it, and I'll give you some personal examples, some exemplums from my career.